Outstanding design defines the 2015 GMC SIERRA 2500 HD. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include front fog lights, leather upholstery, variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, a bed liner, and seat memory. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.